Black pepper, Piper nigrum, is one of the most widely used spices in the world, often referred to as the king of spices. It has been a valuable commodity throughout history, prized for its flavor and its broad range of medicinal uses. Its distinctive sharpness and heat come from the active compound piperine, which not only provides its culinary value, but also holds significant medicinal properties. Black pepper's therapeutic benefits are diverse, ranging from digestive aid to antimicrobial activity, making it an essential part of traditional and modern herbal medicine. Growth, habitat, and locations. Black pepper is a tropical vine native to the Malabar coast of India, where it has been cultivated for centuries. It thrives in hot and humid climates, typically found in tropical rainforests. The plant requires well-drained, rich soils and climbs on trees or trellises, reaching heights of up to 30 feet. Black pepper is also widely grown in other tropical regions, such as Vietnam, now the largest global producer, Indonesia, Malaysia, Brazil, and Sri Lanka. The plant produces small, round fruits called peppercorns, which are harvested when they begin to turn red. These peppercorns are then dried, becoming the familiar black spice. Green peppercorns are the unripe berries, while white pepper is made by removing the outer skin of fully ripe peppercorns. Edible use. The dried peppercorns are the most common edible part of the plant, used whole or ground to season a vast variety of dishes across the globe. Black pepper's pungent taste complements savory and sweet foods alike, stimulating appetite and enhancing flavor profiles in cooking. Medicinal uses. Please note, this video is for educational purposes only. It is not meant to diagnose, treat, or cure any ailment, illness, or disease. Bioavailability enhancer. With turmeric, black pepper significantly improves the absorption of curcumin, the active component in turmeric, which is otherwise poorly absorbed by the body. Piperine enhances curcumin's bioavailability by inhibiting certain digestive enzymes, allowing the body to retain higher levels of curcumin, thereby increasing its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Antimicrobial, antibacterial, and antiviral properties. Black pepper has demonstrated strong antimicrobial activity, making it useful for preserving food and fighting infections. It has been traditionally used in remedies for respiratory and gastrointestinal infections. For example, a black pepper infusion can help combat colds and coughs by clearing mucus and providing relief from throat irritation. Its antibacterial properties have also been studied against bacteria such as Escherichia coli and Staphylococcus aureus, showing its potential in addressing bacterial infections. Carminative digestive aid. Piperine stimulates digestive enzymes, promoting better digestion and reducing symptoms of bloating, gas, and indigestion. Black pepper is often used in traditional medicine as a carminative to prevent the formation of gas in the gastrointestinal tract. A common use is adding ground pepper to soups or teas to enhance digestion. Immune enhancing. Black pepper has immune-boosting properties, mainly through its antioxidant and antimicrobial activities. Piperine helps in the regulation of immune responses, supporting the body's defense against infections. It is often used in traditional remedies as part of a broader approach to strengthening the immune system, particularly in combination with other spices like ginger and turmeric. Antipyretic, fever-reducing. In Ayurvedic medicine, black pepper is considered an antipyretic, helping to reduce fevers. Its warming properties stimulate circulation and sweating, which can help the body cool down naturally during fevers. Black pepper tea is often used as a home remedy for fever, combined with honey or other herbs. Obesity and weight management. Piperine in black pepper has been studied for its potential in inhibiting the formation of new fat cells, making it useful in managing obesity. It also enhances metabolism, encouraging the body to burn calories more efficiently. Some studies suggest that black pepper can prevent the accumulation of fat in the bloodstream. Asthma and respiratory infections. Black pepper's ability to clear the respiratory tract makes it beneficial for conditions like asthma and bronchitis. It acts as a natural decongestant, helping to break down mucus and soothe airways. Black pepper is often incorporated into remedies for coughs and colds, with piperine playing a role in relaxing bronchial muscles and facilitating easier breathing. Muscle aches and joint stiffness. Black pepper's anti-inflammatory properties can help alleviate muscle pain and joint stiffness. Its warming effect, when applied topically in the form of essential oil, can reduce discomfort caused by muscle fatigue or arthritis. Massage oils containing black pepper essential oil are frequently used to enhance circulation and relieve stiffness. Antidepressant and anxiety relief. Piperine has been studied for its antidepressant and anxiolytic effects. It is believed to influence neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which play a role in mood regulation. Some herbalists recommend using black pepper as part of a mood-lifting tonic or as a supplement for those experiencing mild depression or anxiety. Craving suppression and smoking cessation. Black pepper essential oil has been found to help with cravings, particularly in the context of smoking cessation. Inhaling black pepper essential oil can mimic the sensations of smoking, reducing the urge to smoke. It has also been used to suppress cravings for other substances, making it useful in addiction therapies. Harvesting. Black peppercorns are harvested at different stages of ripeness, depending on the desired product. For black pepper, the berries are picked when they start to turn red, but are not fully ripe. The berries are then sun-dried, during which they shrivel and turn black. Harvesting occurs once or twice a year, depending on the region, with the highest yields in tropical climates. Cautions. Bleeding disorders. Piperine can slow blood clotting, so people with bleeding disorders or those taking anticoagulant medications should avoid excessive use of black pepper or its essential oil. It may increase the risk of bleeding or bruising in such individuals. Stomach disorders. While black pepper aids digestion in moderate amounts, overuse can irritate the stomach lining and worsen conditions such as gastritis or acid reflux. Those with peptic ulcers or other gastrointestinal issues should use black pepper cautiously. Skin sensitivity. Black pepper essential oil can cause skin irritation in some individuals, especially if used in high concentrations or without proper dilution. Always perform a patch test before using black pepper essential oil on the skin and dilute it appropriately in a carrier oil. Avoid contact with sensitive areas like the eyes. Black pepper is a versatile spice with a rich history of culinary and medicinal use. Its primary active compound, piperine, is responsible for many of its health benefits, ranging from enhancing nutrient absorption to offering antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and mood-boosting properties. However, like many powerful natural remedies, it should be used mindfully, especially by individuals with certain health conditions. When used appropriately, black pepper offers a wealth of benefits, making it an indispensable component of both the kitchen and the herbal medicine cabinet.